Today we are going to discuss about Indian climate system. India has different climatic zones because of it is influenced by number of climatic system influencing factors. They are latitude, distance from sea, Himalayas, jet streams and monsoon. The first one is the latitude. We all know entire India, which is located in the northern hemisphere, and it falls in Tropic of Cancer and subtropical zone. The Tropic of Cancer, which receives more solar radiation comparing to the subtropical zone, due to the differences in the solar radiation of tropic and subtropical zone causes different climatic conditions. So this is the one of the influencing factor. Next one is distance from sea. The southern India entirely surrounded by Bay of Bengal in eastern side, Arabian Sea in the western side and Indian Ocean in the southern side. So the coastal states, which is influenced by maritime climatic system, that means they receive the rainfall due to ocean circulation and depression occurs in the oceans. And another one, that is the continental climate system, which is the interior states influenced by continental climate system, the states which face the extreme hots in the summer. So this is the one of the influencing factor. Next one is the jet streams. Jet streams are the fastest wind blowing in the upper atmosphere. In India, two jet streams blows. They are westerly jet streams and easterly jet. Westerly jet streams blows during winter over the subtropical zone. It is the dry cold wind from high pressure area of northwestern part blows towards the low pressure area of Bay of Bengal. What is the responsibility of these westerly jets means it can carry winter rain and the heavy snowfall in hilly region. The easterlies will start to blow during June to September due to the apparent shift of the sun in the northern hemisphere. So it leads to development of an easterly cold jet streams around 15 degree north and which blows towards the peninsular India. What is the responsibility of this easterly jets means this helps in the sudden onset of monsoon. That is a very important influencing parameter. Next one is the Himalayan mountains. Himalaya and adjoining mountain ranges which extended from Kashmir in the northwest to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. So this is a very important influencing parameter, that is a influencing factor because of it separate India from the rest of Asia. So for that India we are named as subcontinent, India subcontinent. The Himalayas act as a climatic divide between India and Central Asia. During winter, Himalayas protect India from cold and dry air masses of Central Asia, and also during monsoon month, these mountain ranges act as an effective physical barrier for rain-bearing southwest monsoon winds. So next one is the monsoon. Monsoon is the seasonal wind which is Arabian word. It is caused by due to differences in heating of land and ocean, shifting of sun's angle from tropic to subtropic, shifting of intertropical convergence zones from equator, that is the Indian Ocean, to the central India, and it reverses in the winter season. So first one is the differences in heating of land and ocean. The land which heat faster comparing to the water bodies, that is the ocean. So in the summer season, the high pressure belt which forms in the Arabian Sea and the low pressure region which created in the center of India. So for that the winds start to move from Arabian Sea towards the all over the India. So it carry the rainfall and causes 75% of rainfall in all over the India. So which we are saying that is a southwest monsoon. It blows June to September from sea to land. Most of the Indian region receives 75% of rainfall in this monsoon except Western Ghats shadow region, that is the Tamil Nadu and part of Karnataka. So next one is the northeast monsoon which occurs October to December. which blows from the land to sea. So southwest monsoon which blows from the sea to land, northeast monsoon which blows from land to sea. So this is the reverse action, where the northeastern part the high pressure zone is created, and the Bay of Bengal which causes the low pressure zone due to the shifting of the solar radiation. So for that, the wind start to move from, that is the cold wind, we start to move from northeast portion to the peninsular India. It is a very dry cold wind. It crosses over the Bay of Bengal. It carry the moisture and cause the rainfall in the Coromandel coastal area. So they are through this northeastern monsoon, the rainfall receiving regions are Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and interior Karnataka. So these are the influencing factor. Due to this influencing factor, Indian climate system differentiate into three major groups according to Köppen classification. First one is the tropical wet, second one is the arid and semi-arid region. So third one is mountains or the highlands. The tropical wet region, again that is a sub classification under the Köppen: tropical humid and tropical dry. The arid and semi-arid region which is in tropical as well as the subtropical region, and subtropical humid region has classified under the subdivision. So these are the Indian classification system, that is the climate system. First one is the tropical wet. The subclasses are tropical monsoon climate system. This is the rainforest, where in the region of Malabar coast, Western Ghats, Southern Assam, Island territories, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, Gangetic Plain. So here the rainfall, annual rainfall above 2000 mm, and the temperature does not fall below 18 degrees centigrade. And tropical dry climate, which is in the inland peninsular India, the rainfall which annual rainfall occurs 750 to 1500 mm, and it exceeds 50 degrees centigrade during summer season. Next one is the arid and semi-arid region. Tropical semi-arid steppe climate, arid climate, subtropical steppe climate. These are the subdivisions under the arid and semi-arid region. So first one is the tropical semi-arid steppe climate. The long stretch of land south of Tropic of Cancer and eastern of the Western Ghats and the Cardamom Hills, Karnataka, inland Tamil Nadu, Western Andhra Pradesh and central Maharashtra coming under this tropical semi-arid steppe climatic conditions. Here the annual rainfall occurs 400 to 750 mm, total less than 300 mm, and the temperature still average around 20 to 24 degrees centigrade because of this is the semi-arid climatic conditions. Next one is the arid climatic region, which covers the western Rajasthan, west in Gujarat. So here the annual rainfall less than 300 mm. So for that it is the arid climatic condition. The maximum temperature which reaches into 50 degrees centigrade. And subtropical steppe climate, the east of the Thar desert, the Punjab, Haryana, Kathiawar. So which the annual rainfall which crosses 300 to 650 mm, and summer heat up to 50 degrees centigrade and winter cold as low as 1 degree centigrade. So for the another classification, that is the subtropical humid. This is the continental dominant climate system. No subdivisions are there. So here the regions are northeast Indian and much of the North Indian, and the rainfall which occurs 1000 mm to 2000 mm annually, and the temperature coldest month generally falls as low as 0 degrees centigrade, minus 18 degree up to minus 18 degrees centigrade it reach. The mountain range, that is the highland regions. So we can say that is the alpines. Alpine is the coldest region. That is the coldest region. India's northernmost areas which covers the mountain highlands. Heaviest snowfall. There is no precipitation is occur. Apart from that, the heaviest rainfall occurs there. The bitter cold below 0 degrees centigrade in winter. In summer reach up to 10 degrees centigrade. Above that it cannot increase. So this is the mountain climatic system. So India has classified the number of climatic system. So these are the some of the reference I referred for to preparing this PPT. Thank you.